Solve the square root of 2x minus 1 plus 2 equals x. So we want our square root sign all by itself. So to do that, we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So we get the square root of 2x minus 1 equals x minus 2. Now to eliminate our radical sign, we're going to square both sides. So what we get is the square root of x minus 1 squared is 2x minus 1 equals, here we have x minus 2 squared, which is the same as a minus b squared, which has the format of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So now if we write it using this format, we get a, which is x squared, minus 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 2, plus b, which is 2, squared. So now what we have is 2x minus 1 equals x squared. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4x plus, it's a plus, 2 squared is 4. So now notice we're working with a quadratic equation. So to solve this, we want to obtain 0 on one side of the equation. So here we can obtain 0 on this side by subtracting 2x plus 1 from both sides. So here we're going to subtract 2x plus 1. So now we get 0 equals x squared. 4x plus 2x is 2x. 4x minus 2x is negative 6x. So this is a negative. 4 plus 1 is 5. So plus 5. So now we're going to factor this. So here we have 0 equals, since we have x squared, we have x in both our first terms. So now we have a positive 5 here, but we have a negative 6x. So this means that both of these numbers must be negative. So we have 5 and 1. So now we're going to set each of these equal to 0. Now we have x minus 5 equals 0. And we have x minus 1 equals 0. So here we have x equals 5. And here we have x equals 1. And that's our answer. X equals 5 or x equals 1.